Hi guys, welcome back with the fourth puzzle. The fourth puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Tuesday. Yes, it's Tuesday, still Tuesday, January the 11th, 2022. And in this additional, we have 9 puzzles, and I won't do them all. Only 5 of them, half of them I will solve. I've already solved 3 puzzles: the Sudoku with 3 stars and the 4 stars, and the binary. And there are 2 puzzles left: the Killer Sudoku and the Tectonic with 4 stars. And it's time for the 4 stars Tectonic. And this Tectonic will be number 3964. Alright, 3964. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 11 printed digits. Could be a hard one, could be an easy one. Because the hard ones has always 8, 9, 10 or 11 digits. And for a 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. That's my time limit. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. I see here single box, there single box, always a 1. Then can we see here the dual boxes? Do we have any dual boxes in this puzzle? Yeah, only one dual box. It contains the 1 and the 2, but I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Then the following question, triple box. Do we have here any triple box? Let me scan. No triple boxes at all. Quadra boxes then? Do we have quadra boxes? Well, we have here quadra box. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Quadra box. Then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures, or constructions. For example, we have here the Z or the S figure. Let me draw this here. All right. Okay. Remember, if you see this kind of figure, the S or the Z construction, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1. Okay. So this box has the same number as that box. But also, that box has the same number as this box. Alright. Do we have more Z construction or S construction? No. We have a T. The T shape. Let me draw this T shape. Yeah, this T shape here. Alright. This T shape. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. Okay, so this box has the same number as that box. But also, that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. So in this case, it's the 1 or a 2. But we already have a 1 here, so it cannot be a 1. This should be a 2. And that box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. So 1 box left in this dual box for the number 1. Alright. Do we have more T-shapes? Yeah, here, rotated or mirrored with this one, yes. So this box has the same number as that box, and that box has the same number as this box. More T-shapes? No. Then the following shape. How about the L shape? We have an L shape here. The L shape. Let me draw this here. Alright. So this L shape. Remember, if you see the L shape, this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 3. Alright. So in this quadra box, we have 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 4. Okay. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. Do we have more L shape here? Rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Okay. Then the following shape. How about, oh, overlooked. We have another L shape. And here also an L shape. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1. And this box has the same number as that box. More L shapes? No. Alright. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this here. Alright. This shape. Remember that this shape, this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1. Okay. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay. Do we have more? Yeah, here. Upside down. So this box has the same number as that box. More. No. Then the following shape. How about, let me see this shape. This shape, yes. Let me draw this here. Okay. This shape. If you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has always the same number as that box. Okay, so this box is the same number as that box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, another one. The same. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more? Here, another one. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1. Alright. Here, rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Okay. Are those the figures? No, I missed one. Yeah. The last one. Let me draw this here. Yeah. The last one. So this puzzle has 6 figures that you need to recognize. All those figures, yes. Remember, if you see this kind of shape, this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 4. Alright. Yes. This box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have all the 6 figures that you need to recognize in this puzzle. Full, yes. I'm scanning if there are more of these kinds of shapes. No, those are the shapes that you need to recognize. Why you need to recognize? Because, look, we have all those markings. Because then it's easy for filling the numbers. Yeah, filling the numbers. So let's get started filling the numbers. Alright. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. And this box is connected with that box. Yeah. So this box should be also a 2. These 3 boxes surround the 2 cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. Okay. These 2 boxes can be a 5. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 5, 1 and 5. So the other pair in this area, the L shape, should be the numbers 2 and the 3. 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also 2 or a 3. Okay. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. Okay. Then these 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. If I place the 1 here, this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. But we already have a 1 here, so it's not a solution to place the 1 here. The only place left for the 1 should be there. Okay. Then let me see. Yeah, this box cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Okay. These two boxes can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4. Should be there. Yeah. This box cannot be a1, and we have a double 1 here. Sorry, we have a double 1 here. So these two boxes cannot be a 1. So 2 boxes left for the 1. Could be here, could be there. Okay. Let me see. Scan. These two boxes cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These two boxes cannot be a 1. We have a 1 here. And that box cannot be a 1. We have a double 1 here. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. Okay, this box cannot be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Yeah. I'm thinking. Well, can it be 3? 2. 1. These two boxes cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that box, we have a double 1 here. That means that this box cannot be a 1. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. It's not the solution to place the 1 here. The only place left for the 1 should be there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. Okay. These two boxes cannot be a 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this L shape for numbers 2 and 3. Well, I cannot place a 3 here. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So the 3 should be there, and the 2 goes here. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. Now we have a 3 there, so this box cannot be a 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 4 goes there. These two boxes can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 4. 2 numbers left in this L shape for the numbers 1 and the 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Then 2. Let me see. This box cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 5. Then I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can it be 2, should be a 3, can it be a 4, can it be a 5? Yes, definitely 3. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 2 and 4. Let me mark those 2 and 4, and this box is connected with that box. Should be also 2 and 4. Okay. In this area, we need a 3. Well, this box cannot be a 3. We have a 3 there. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. So we have a pair, the 2 and the 4 in this area. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. This box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. 1 box left in this T-shaped area for the number 4. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can be 3 anymore. This box should be a 2. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 should be there. Okay, 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 3 and 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Okay, then these 2 boxes can be a 4. These 2 boxes can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. 2 numbers left in this Z construction or the S construction for the numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5. 3 and 5. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also 3 and a 5. But we already have a 3 here, so it can be a 3. This box should be a 5. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 5. 1 box left in this Z construction for the number 3. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 3 and 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. This box is connected with that box. Should be also a 5. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Should be a 4. Can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 4. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can it be a 4, can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 3. These 2 boxes can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. Okay, we go here. In this area for the numbers 2 numbers left, the 5 and the 4 are missing. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 5 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and 3 goes there. Now we have a 5 here, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5 and this box should be a 1. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1, should be a 2, can it be a 3, can it be 4, can it be 5? Yes, definitely a 2. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 3 and 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 4. 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. We have a 2 there. Oh, overlooked. So this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 3. Now we have 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 5. The 1 and the 4. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 1 goes there. Finish in 80 minutes. Alright. 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No. Let me give this a 2 stars. Because for 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes. And I've solved this in 18 minutes. So I'm very, very pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you later. Later with the last puzzle. A.k.a. Sudoku. a.k.a. Sudoku mix. See you then. Bye-bye for now.